up guys, welcome to another epic day, and today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button. Let's go straight into this video. So right now it's just loads of asteroids trying to kill us. Oh no, not this. I'm going yellow. Yellow always gets crushed though. Yellow always gets crushed, boy. Yellow always falls. Oh yes. I'm gonna go to blue. 8. I only have barely any time. 5, 4, 3, 2. Yes, it was literally going to be. Let's try again. Try what? Okay. I'm gonna go to green. I'm gonna go to green. Yes! Come on, yeah. I feel like it's gonna be red. Oh yay. I won. Yay. Also, I got a teddy bear. I literally have got a teddy bear. Oh no, it's a tornado. Put a speed coil on, you'll never catch me. Gonna get these diamonds. Thank you for it. I'm the only one that hasn't died. That's because I got a speed coil. No, let me get this diamond. Yay. I did it. I won. To be honest, these are actually quite a maze. Do people even know where this maze is? Is this maze even fucking possible? I don't even know if she knows the dumb way. I'm just gonna take a guess and say no. You've actually got to be kidding me. Where is this exit? This is so hard. I've only got a minute to do this. And the maze is finally over. That was like probably one of the most dumbest rounds ever. Like, honestly, it was just bad. Right, what is next? Oh, bombs! Instead of the asteroid, it's flipping bombs. Wait, what if I just stay in the corner? Actually, no, because I want to collect all these. Get wrecked, fat boy. Yeah. Okay. Like that is a smart idea. I'm gonna go to item shop. Can I go? What's a throwing? A throwing sport. I've already got a money bag. Chocolate milk. No. Fake gun. Yeah, I want the fake gun. Yay, I got a fake gun. Why is that even useful, to be honest? Taco! That's my name. I need that taco. Oh, flip. No. Yay, I got a fake gun. Got it. Oh, I can actually kill people. Ah! Wait, can I kill him with my gun? Got him. Bye. You can explode to death. Oh, it didn't work that time. God needs that next to a button. I killed him. Yay, I killed him. Oh, I'm on blue team and we'll have to get all the tiles. Make them blue. Come on team, we can do this. Just get all the sides. Come on. think Blues are gonna win, to be honest, because this is a lot of tiles. No, 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 no. No! Blue tiles only! Yeah, Blues are 100% gonna win. Yeah, Blues are smashing Reds right now. Time's up. How many? Blue team won with 221 points. Yay. Oh, photo time. I like this one. That's me. Wait, where is? Yeah, that's my arms. What? That was the weirdest photo ever. What can you do with the diamonds, though? Oh no, why won't it let me exit? Exit! Item shop, what is going on? Yo, well, we're back, guys. Yo, we're back. Yo, hi. Yeah, we're back, okay. Oh no, it's a dog tornado again. I got my ducky. Got my ducky with me. Bye. Gun. Yay, ducky. Duck. I got a duck. Yeah, got a duck power. Duck power. Gun power. Duck. Oh, we're still in this round. Wait, I want to see what happens when it sucks you up, kind of. Aww. What? Wait, that be put the button. Okay, you press the button. Yes, this one again. I love this one. Yes, come on, Blues. Come on. No, you're a noob, Red. You're a noob. Yes, you're a noob. You're a noob, man. You're a noob. By the way, guys, I've always won this round when I played it. Every single time. Okay. Let's get all this. Come on, Blues. I think Red's actually... No, Blue has to win. Blue team won with 249 points. Yes. Let's go. What's this? Yes, no. Oh my god. What can I buy? Cookie, no. Watermelon, what's the point in a watermelon? Is there a fake knife? Flip. Oh, flip! Someone already died. 2 people have already died. This is easy. How? This is easy. I didn't mean that, guys. There's no one alive. There is no one alive. Why is the round still going? Right now is the round. Oh, flipping no. I just killed her. Holy mac and cheese, this is hard. No, just don't flipping kill me. Give me that diamond. No, please just don't let them kill me. And you... Oh no, because the round ended. Wait, no, I died. We're in space. Oh, we can jump high. Yay. Woo. Okay guys, that's going to wrap up this video. Make sure to subscribe, turn on those notification bells. Leave a big fat like on this video, and we'll see you guys all in another Roblox video. Peace out.